Hi beauties, it's Miss Unique Beauty in the building, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to decorate your 30-inch crochet locks, and this can also go for box braids, twists, or any kind of braided hairstyles that you may have. Right here I'm just showing you guys how long these locks really are. Now these accessories I have here are from a company called MaliPah, and they are located in Thailand. MaliPah has a wide variety of hair accessories that range in many different colors, dream catchers, braided locks from yarn with beads on them, and they're absolutely beautiful and they're stunning. I love their accessories. When you purchase your crochet boho locks, you will also receive a small package of accessories as well. Some of those accessories will be included in this video. I will be putting the link to MaliPah's website in the description box below, along with the link to my boho locks. Now it's time to decorate our locks. Now the first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take these gold cuffs and I'm going to put them right at the root of each of my crochet locks, right along the hairline of my hair. I do this so that when I pull my hair back, I'll still have that bling effect along the front of my hair. These gold cuffs come along with your package of boho locks. If you guys are interested in seeing how I created this makeup look, I will put the link to the video of me doing this makeup look on myself in the description box below. The next thing I'm going to do is take this gold string that came along with my boho locks, and I'm going to cut the string in half. After I cut it in half, then I'm going to fold one of those pieces in half, find where my middle part is, and I'm going to wrap this gold string around the two front pieces that is next to my middle part. Now the process of how to wrap this gold string around your lock is very simple. You want to cross it in the front, put your lock in between, and then cross it in the back. Cross it in the front, cross it in the back, cross it in the front, cross it in the back. Cross it in the front, cross it in the back, and so on. Now once you've reached the end of the string, you just want to tie it in a knot. And once you're done tying it in a knot, then you want to cut off the excess string at the ends. And that's it. Very simple. Now we're going to complete the same thing on this next front lock. Find the middle, then begin to wrap it around your lock, and then you're going to cross it in the front, cross it in the back, cross it in the front, cross it in the back, and continue to do that all the way down the lock. Now I'm just checking that the gold string stops at the same point on each lock. Now when I'm accessorizing my hair, I like to go from my middle part just to make it easier so that I know that I have the same amount of accessories on one side as I do on the other side, so that when it comes to styling, nothing really feels unbalanced. Now this is what the gold string is looking like. Now I'm going to show you guys how to apply your cowrie shells to your locks. First I take the gold loop and I put my cowrie shell onto the loop, then I insert the loop into my hair and just close it. Now these accessories you also get along with your boho locks. It's very simple and easy to apply to your hair. I will be applying 4 of these to my hair. I just love the idea that Boho Locs came up with by including these little hair accessories along with your locks so that you'll be able to jazz them up. Just about all of their Boho Locs kits on their website all include this little accessory kit. Now this is what the front section of my hair is looking like once I've included those little accessories. Now the next thing I'm going to apply is these little gold spring things. I'm not exactly sure of the name of these, but these are really cute as well. I applied them using my crochet needle. I put one of them onto the hook, then I hooked my hair onto it and pulled it through. Now your hair will get stuck to the little swirl things on the ends of the gold hoops. So what you'll have to do is hold the ends of the gold spring thing away from the lock and then just slide it all the way up your lock. If your hair does get snagged onto it, just use a scissor and clip it away. Then you want to pull on it and stretch it out until you get this little design. Now this is optional. You could keep it small or you can spring it out. It's totally up to you. This second one actually went up a lot easier than the first one because I was able to hold those ends away from the lock. These little swirl things are also included with your Boho Locs. Now I'm going to take these beads that also come along with your Boho Locs and I'm just going to put them on one of my locks close to the root of my hair. Now, like I said before, I like to work from the center of my hair, so what I do on one side, I do the same exact thing on the next side. As you guys can see, Boho Locs definitely be hooking us up with adding these accessories into our hair. You do get quite a few of accessories along with your Boho Locs. Now we are going to begin adding our MaliPah accessories. Now the first MaliPah accessories that we're going to be using are these short dream catchers. And how you apply these are, you are going to pass your lock through the middle of the loop, then you're going to cross it in the front, pass your lock through it, cross it in the back, pass your lock through it again, and that's how they are attached. Now right here, I realized I wanted it just a little bit lower on my lock, so I'm just going to adjust it, and then I'm going to cross my lock through it one more time just to keep it from sliding off by itself. Now we're just going to repeat the same thing on the other side, but this time we're going to be using a green dream catcher. What I love the most about these accessories is that I can switch them up according to the colors that I'm wearing for that day. So as you guys can see, today I'm wearing green and yellow. So of course my accessories that I will be putting in my hair will be only green and yellow accessories. Now I'm going to show you guys how to apply the long dream catchers. I love these dream catchers because if you are wearing short locks, you can also take advantage of these, and if your locks are long, you can also take advantage of these. Now the way you apply this is similar to the short ones. You're going to insert your lock through the middle of the dream catcher string, and you're just going to continue to cross in the front and then in the back and then in the front and in the back while looping through your crochet lock. This is what they're looking like. Now I'm going to repeat the same thing on this side, but with a green dream catcher. Right here, I'm just showing you guys the versatility of this dream catcher. You can adjust the length to whatever length you want it to be. Now you're going to insert your lock, and then you're going to cross it in the front, cross it in the back, cross it in the front, cross it in the back, while continuing to insert your lock through the loops. Now this is what I'm looking like once all of the dream catchers are placed in my hair. And I'm showing you guys what my hair will look like once I push all of my hair to one side. Now we are going to begin inserting our clip-in yarn beaded locks. These yarn beaded locks are so beautiful, and these are my favorite on their website. They are so easy and simple to insert. All you have to do is take the clip-in part of the beaded yarn lock and just place it wherever you want it to be. And I place mine right in the front just so I can see it when I'm looking at myself in the mirror. Now I'm going to place another one right on the other side of my head. I love that these beaded yarn locks come in so many colors, and I believe I have just about all of the colors. And I love to match these to whatever color that I'm wearing in my outfit on that day. They are so simple and easy to remove and switch out whenever you want. Now I'm just going to apply 2 more of these yarn locks to the sides of my head. Now this is what my hair is looking like once I've jazzed up my locks. These accessories definitely embody my personality once I apply them to my locks, and I absolutely love them. Today I was able to show you guys how to decorate your locks. You can also do this to box braids or any kind of twist styles that you may have. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below any questions that you may have. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye my beauties!